A very warm welcome to all the delegates who have assembled here today for this event hosted by Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. I am Dr. Vineet Agarwal, and I take care of medical services for the Asia Pacific region on behalf of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. It is my honor and privilege to take you through the journey of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals over the past few years and also share with you the achievements that we have obtained in these past decades. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals was started with a vision to emerge as a leading integrated research-led global pharmaceutical company. It ranks amongst the top 80 pharma and biotech companies in the world, and it is fully integrated across the pharmaceutical value chain with strong presence in drug discovery, active pharmaceutical ingredients, and finished dose formulations. We have established research prowess in both novel small molecule as well as biologics research with various molecules in different stages of development. And today, we have operations in over 80 countries all over the world. The global footprint of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals extends to the 5 continents, with our biggest markets being the US as well as India, both with about 30% share of revenues. We have a global commercial infrastructure which can be easily leveraged for marketing of innovative products in the present times as well as in the times to come. The global therapeutic focus for Glenmark Pharmaceuticals is on primarily three major therapy areas, which are dermatology, oncology, and respiratory. However, our different regions also have different therapy areas depending on the demands or the needs of the particular market. The US, for example, which forms 30% of our revenues, has a focus on niche or limited competition products and also has a portfolio of over 165 generic products. We have a pipeline of over 60 ANDAs with a high proportion of differentiated molecules. India forms about 31% of revenues for Glenmark, and the growth is driven by new brand introductions and focused strategy of divisionalization. The therapy focus here is more on cardiometabolic, respiratory, and dermatology segments that continue to register growth. The Latin American markets like Brazil, Mexico, Venezuela, and Peru also show focus on dermatology, respiratory, and oncology portfolios. The European market forms about 12% of the revenues for Glenmark Pharmaceuticals, and the Central Eastern European markets have a focus more on CNS and cardiology, with a mix of in-licensing and in-house developed products. Western Europe is pursuing multiple revenue streams, and we have direct sales presence established in the UK with focus on the United Kingdom, Germany, and Netherlands. The ROW market forms again 12% of the revenues for Glenmark, with Russia being the largest subsidiary and a considerable presence in Asia as well as African markets. For API business, which is active pharmaceutical ingredients, we have over 360 DMFs filed across various markets and have launched several new products in the last few years. I'll take you through the major markets in a bit of detail so that you can understand the kind of diverse operations that Glenmark operates in different markets that are geographically and culturally very dissimilar to each other. Central Eastern Europe has focus on CNS, respiratory, cardiovascular, metabolic, and consumer healthcare or OTC products, with more than 60 brands being sold in this region. We have established presence in markets such as Czech Republic and Slovakia by acquiring certain local companies, as well as acquiring portfolio branded products from companies such as Actavis in Poland. The rest of the world market, or ROW formulations, has a major chunk coming from the Russia CIS countries, where the focus is on respiratory, dermatology, anti-infectives, gynecology, as well as gastrointestinal products. We have a product portfolio of more than 50 SKUs sold in each of the focus markets, with the key markets being Russia, Ukraine, Uzbekistan, and Kazakhstan. Glenmark, as I don't have to probably tell you, is one of the fastest growing companies in Ukraine's pharma market and is recording a good growth in Kazakhstan as well as Uzbekistan. Glenmark ranks amongst the top 50 companies in the retail segment of the Russian pharmaceutical market and 11th amongst the dermatology companies as per the data from March 2020. The other ROW markets include Africa and Middle East, where the focus is on dermatology, gynecology, GI products, anti-infectives, and diabetes. We have more than 50 brands sold in each of the focus markets, such as South Africa, Nigeria, and the United Arab Emirates. Glenmark South Africa ranks among the top 50 companies in the country and is also the largest subsidiary for Glenmark in this region. For Asia, the therapeutic segments that are important are dermatology, respiratory, anti-infectives, cardiodiabetic products, as well as oncology. We have more than 30 brands available in the focus markets, and Glenmark ranks among top 10 companies in the core therapy area of dermatology. And in a few markets, such as Philippines and Malaysia, many of our products are also ranked #1 in dermatology. The key markets for Glenmark here are Philippines, Malaysia, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, as well as other smaller and transient markets such as Thailand, Hong Kong, Singapore, Australia, Maldives, Fiji, and Taiwan. Glenmark has 14 world-class manufacturing facilities spread across 4 continents, of which 8 are registered with the US FDA. We have formulations, of course, in India, as well as Czech Republic, in US, and Argentina, which primarily provides the oncology products for us. Besides, Glenmark also has a specialty or innovative R&D pipeline with focus on the 3 major therapy areas of dermatology, respiratory, and oncology. 3 of our products have achieved a lot of success, including GSP 301, which we call Ryaltris now, and this is in the approval phase in various markets and of course is being launched currently as well. Another product, GBR 310, is a biosimilar which is focused on the management of asthma and chronic idiopathic urticaria, and this is also showing good results in the phase 1 studies. In our R&D pipeline, we also have a product known as GRC 39815, which is a ROR gamma T inhibitor focused on the therapy area of COPD, a chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, and this has shown a lot of good results in the preclinical stage. Ryaltris, or GSP 301, is a combination of a steroid and an antihistamine in a nasal suspension, and it is one of the first new drug applications to the FDA by Glenmark. The product has already been out-licensed to markets such as Australia, and we are in the process of launching the product in various other markets in Asia and African region as well. The molecule GBR 310, as I mentioned, is focused on the management of asthma and chronic idiopathic urticaria, which are 2 of the most common diseases in the Western world. Besides our achievements, Glenmark also likes to highlight the corporate social responsibility that we take as a part of life for us. Throughout our efforts throughout the globe in child health and sustainable livelihood, we have impacted over 1.2 million lives over the years. The focus areas for corporate social responsibility for Glenmark Pharmaceuticals are child health, access to healthcare, sustainable livelihoods, and promotion of aquatic sports. Our impact has touched the lives of close to 180,000 lives through child health interventions, and more than 36,000 malnourished children have been reached and their lives have been impacted by the interventions of Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. 150,000 pregnant and lactating women have been served through various interventions, and more than 60,000 employees have volunteered over 40,000 man-hours of community service over the years. Glenmark's corporate social responsibility extends all over the globe, and we have more than 46 locations across 28 plus countries, touching lives of people in the underprivileged group over the years through the Joy of Giving program. Some of our key programs for corporate social responsibility include the mobile app called M-Mitra, which helps the pregnant women keep a track of their medication, of their visits to the clinics, and ensures that they have an uneventful delivery. We are also committed to our business responsibility in the area of environment, health, and safety across all our operations globally. We have initiated several initiatives for resource efficiency, conservation of non-renewable energy sources, and decrease in greenhouse gases emissions from our operations. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals would be nothing without the people that populate our offices and our field workers. At Glenmark, our aim is to enrich the lives of employees by providing them the freedom and space to work, helping them to be the best that they can be. We have over 14,000 employees across the globe from over 60 plus nationalities, and Glenmark attracts and nurtures the best talent in the world. The Glenmark Center for Learning helps in our unwavering focus on knowledge upgradation and helps the employees do better over the years that they spend with Glenmark. We have a robust information technology system which provides strategic advantage and operational excellence to the business. It provides innovative and technically superior solutions and helps Glenmark focus on the things that are required rather than worrying about the technological background. Especially in this time of lockdown where all of us were connected digitally, our information technology has supported us to reach out to our stakeholders, the various health care providers, as well as patients through our various initiatives. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals has over 725 granted patents covering innovations in new chemical entities, novel drug delivery systems, and active pharmaceutical ingredients. We have been granted patents over covering the innovative and cost-effective processes of manufacturing molecules such as teneligliptin, remogliflozin, aprepitant, and tazarotene. Glenmark has filed over 1,110 inventions so far. Last but not the least, we would like to highlight the awards and recognitions that Glenmark has received over the years. And the recent one, the latest one, was the Dow Jones Sustainability Index for emerging markets. And these awards we have received for 3 years in a row, starting from 2018, following up in 2019, and of course in 2020. Mr. Glenn Saldanha, our CMD, has been awarded the EY Entrepreneur of the Year in 2017 in Life Sciences and Healthcare category, which is a recognition of the cutting-edge research work being conducted at Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. Scrip 100 listed Glenmark as the 71st company in the world as per its 2017 rankings. It also features Glenmark in the top 10 amongst the companies headquartered in emerging markets, and Glenmark is ranked 8th among the companies based out of Asia, excluding Japan. Glenmark Pharmaceuticals received PharmaExcel Awards in 2015 and 16 for outstanding exports and in recognition of Glenmark's contribution to pharmaceutical patents. Mr. Glenn Saldanha was again awarded with the Innovator Entrepreneur Pharma Leader Award by the South Asian chapter of American College of Pharmacology, again showing how focused Glenmark is to become a research-led pharmaceutical company. We also hold a Guinness World Record, which was created in 2014 for arranging Ascoril bottles, which is one of our star products, a cough syrup, which was signed by doctors and it was spread across an area of 1,200 square feet. All the Ascoril bottles, which was more than 66,000 of Ascoril bottles, they were all donated to 32 government hospitals across India for providing relief to the underprivileged patients. Glenmark has been awarded India's Best Company Award by the Corporate Dossier for CSR activities in 2014. And we have also received the Thomson Reuters Innovation Award in 2013, which recognizes the most innovative academic institutions and commercial enterprises headquartered in India for the spirit of innovation in research and development. The Indian Drug Manufacturers Association also awarded Glenmark in 2012 and 13 for the Best Biotech New Molecular Entity Patent Award for the US patents that Glenmark Pharmaceuticals has filed. This is a safe harbor disclaimer from my end because this information is confidential and this is shared only with the delegates of this present conference. And we request you to respect the privacy and the confidentiality of the data that has been shared with you. Thank you. Maximum, I'm done.